You're an idiot. Hey folks, Victor here. Just a quick one today. With this weather being so awful here in Canberra at the moment, mind you, it's a lot worse down the coast, than the north coast of New South Wales, with a lot of the really bad wind that we've been having. But it made me think there's a little spot here which is a bit of a sad story. About 26th of January 1971, there was a bad flood in this area, and this, as you can see, is actually a memorial to those people that passed away. 7 young people died, unfortunately, here, and this is in the middle of Woden. All right, you can see the buildings behind me. I'll give you a bit of a look around in here, see what you reckon. As I said, only a short one, but yeah, come and have a look at it. It's a little bit, it is interesting, and it's one of those little memorials that I don't think a lot of people know much about. 8, 12, 6, all too young. Get a load of this, folks. Here, a very thoughtful local resident, by the look of it, it might be a couple of them, I don't know, has put together a little makeshift park and toys for kids to come and play with. Nice and thoughtful. So there you go, folks, the Woden flood disaster of 1971. Now, if you want to come down and have a look at this, it's a real little memorial just off the main thoroughfare there. As you, like I've shown you already, that's the main road that goes between Woden and Canberra City. I will put a map link below for you, and I'll also try and put a link in there about the history of it as well. So if you want a bit more reading about it, you can go in there and have a look at that. But anyway, I'm going to leave you there with that one. As I said, it was only going to be a short one today. Get out of this horrible weather before it gets worse again. And I will catch you on the next one, all right? So bye for now. Catch ya.